All right, so we're headed up Soldier Summit.
Soldier
Pass up there. We got an F-150 slid off the road in the mud. Doesn't look too bad, but it's not deep mud, but it's slick. So
he pulled off to the side to let somebody pass, and when he went to go back on, his rear end just slid into the bank, and there's nothing he can do about it. It's actually a friend of one of the guys that we just helped out in pacing. We pulled a Jeep off the side of a cliff.
Yeah. So
it's one of that guy's friends.
We'll film it. Hopefully it's entertaining. So.
Well, howdy.
How's it going, man?
This looks like a fun predicament.
Yeah. I'd like to say I'm happy to see you again, but I don't know if I am.
Well, it makes you feel better. We're happy to see you again.
Pretty sure I was in this rut, man, and I was actually backing up to turn around because I was like, as soon as I start sliding, I'm done.
Yeah, I'll zip up there real quick, and Ben will pull up and start getting hooked up on the back. Did it hit the other side at all?
What do you mean?
Against the bank?
Yeah. It looks like it's close, but it doesn't look like it hit anything. Excellent.
That's why I called you guys.
This tire is in the ditch right there, and then the bank goes up. So might not need to even winch the front. You might be able to just hook a strap on that lower side. I was debating
on just hooking up the 10-foot.
Yeah, on that side.
That way we can just pull him up to a turnaround spot.
Yeah, because he'll probably want to stay in that ditch. I mean, that tire's not going to want to climb out till right there. So it's more pulling the rear up out of it.
I agree. And if you got a winch on the rear.
Yeah.
If I was just way more that way, I'd have been all right. But I think my back end just popped out of the rut.
Yeah, because typically you would want your driver's side tires in this rut so that it holds you from going over.
Well, no, I was backing down, so I think I was in that rut. I wasn't even going forward when I got stuck.
Then if you had some decent tires,
yeah, they're not good.
Yeah, I bet they just slick in this stuff.
That's why I said, I was like, as soon as I start sliding, I'm out of here.
Yeah. So I'll pull up and get hooked up. Steph's filming with the...
My 10-foots. I got them in the diesel and the black Land Cruiser.
Oh,
I'll grab your 10-foot.
Yeah.
It's a little slick out here.
Yeah.
Didn't feel that way coming up.
Well, yeah, not until just right up here.
Yeah,
when I started backing down.
We were just talking on the radio, not I don't know, a couple 100 yards that way. I goosed it and was like, yeah, there's plenty of traction, but you get out and geez, this is slick.
We were climbing up the hill just fine. We saw somebody coming down, and they were sliding, going way slow. So that's why I hopped out and asked them.
10-footer with the soft shaft.
I hopped out and asked them. It's pretty nasty up there, and they said it's bad.
So
I was backing down to turn around.
Yeah.
The worst spot I think I could have hit, I hit.
That's how it goes. It's Murphy's Law. Hold the brakes on yours and you drive it.
That's what I'm thinking.
Because I'm going to have to be in mine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come get in.
Yeah, if you want to just hold the brakes, I can.
More slippery, huh? There it goes.
Go ahead and release your winch line. Steph, you want to crank the wheels all the way driver and back up?
Okay.
Are you still at two-wheel drive?
Yeah. I'm gonna, hold on. I'm gonna lock in the hubs. Okay, come on back.
Hey, she can come forward this way now.
It is pretty close to the edge.
Yeah. What do you think about having
I was-
to put her tire right here?
That's kind of what I was thinking.
That's what I think.
I don't know if that's
Come forward just a little bit.
turn.
A little
Turn.
passenger.
Yeah, passenger.
Right there. A little more. A little more passenger. Right there.
A little more.
Okay, a hair more.
Okay, that's good.
And Steph, if we start moving forward and you're still pretty stable, you can have it in drive and just kind of go forward with it while he's pulling. That way it stays at this angle. And then when he comes all the way on, back up about, or not back up, but just make sure there's about 2 feet of room between you.
Okay.
About going forward and back a little bit.
Absolutely. Yeah. Just tell me when you're going
Just
back.
to walk the rear up without trying to pull it out. In which case, I'd rather have you.
Well, I actually think we can just drive her right out at this angle. If she, especially if she's coming forward with you. A little bit of pressure on the back, a little bit of pressure on the front, come right out. But do whatever you feel is going to be good.
Feels pretty good now.
Hey, GoPro stayed.
Sweet. Yeah, I'll drive this up.
You want me to go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay.